What is going on, guys? Marcus here, back with another video. I'm gonna get straight to the point because I know people's attention spans are smaller than mine. Tennyson is a YouTuber who's blown up recently. I think he just recently hit 1 million subscribers, and me and him have a lot of similarities. The biggest one being a massive appetite. For me, I can just continue to eat and eat and eat, and I never get full. And I know that's something that he can do because he does crazy 10,000 calorie challenges where he can just continue to eat like crazy. Today, I'm gonna be copying his diet and seeing if I can actually survive a day with eating low calorie foods without being hungry the entire time. Now we're gonna go hit a solid little grocery shop and grab our ingredients. Let's get into it. Now, I'm not going to be showing you how to cook the meals. I'm not going to be showing you those ingredients. You can watch Will's videos. I'll link in the description to figure out how to cook these meals. I'm just going to be rating them after I make them, and we will get into that right now. So getting right into it, for meal number one, we've got these Mexican taquitos. Now, I'm going to be following the recipe as close as I possibly can. I won't be able to get it exact because it's got some funky ingredients, but I followed it as close as I can. Now, I'm going to be rating these meals by how easy they are to prepare, how good they taste, and how filling they are. So when preparing these taquitos, it was quite easy. I tossed in a bit of meat, I tossed in a couple peppers and threw in the egg whites, mix it all together. That part was quite easy. Throwing it onto the wraps was also quite easy, and throwing it into the oven for 10 minutes was also very easy. So it was quite easy to prepare. For easiness of preparedness, I would give it an 8 out of 10. For taste, the salsa added so much to that meal, and the eggs and ingredients inside were pretty normal, but that salsa boosted this up to a 9 out of 10 for taste. And finally, for how filling it was, unfortunately, I didn't feel that full after. I definitely could have continued to eat. So for fillingness, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 only. Now, personally, if I were to be making this meal, the only thing I would do to change it would be to add a bunch of fruit on the side. Fruit, low calorie, fills you up a lot more, and that way I could have left the meal feeling more satisfied. But overall, very, very good meal. So meal number two is your pre-workout meal, and it's gonna be some yogurt and strawberry sludge with protein powder and stuff. I'm gonna start off right away by saying easiness to prepare is very low. I'm gonna put that at a 3 out of 10 because it was really hard to do, which means I didn't do it properly, which means the other ratings I'm gonna give aren't fair because I didn't create it properly. And this is my second time trying to make this stuff. I don't know what it is, but every time it just turns out kind of gross. So I don't know what to say. I mean, that meal definitely did not work. It's filling though, because I didn't finish it, and we will move on to the next meal after a quick workout. And this is meal number 3 of the day. We've got a French toast ground beef pizza kind of thing. This is by far one of the best meals of the day. It checks off all the boxes. The only problem is it is slightly high in calories, so the rest of your meals around this day are gonna have to be a bit smaller to intake all these calories from this meal. Now, that being said, easiness to prepare, I'd give that a solid 8 out of 10. It was actually very easy. The only thing you have to do is have some experience in making French toast, which I do, so that part was easy peasy for me. For taste, easily 9 out of 10. This thing tastes amazing. It's like a pizza except better. And finally, filling. No way I was eating anything after this. This is definitely like a 9.5 out of 10 filling. I was done. I was full. I was very full, and that's rare for me when I want to eat food. So overall, this meal, I definitely recommend you try it. The link is in his description to the recipe. And we got one more meal for the day, anabolic ice cream. Doesn't get easier than that. We're gonna get to that right now. So we all know anabolic ice cream. It's amazing. Taste, solid. 8.5 out of 10. Easiness to prepare, definitely 8.5 out of 10. Fillingness, that's a 9.5 out of 10. I am full. No way I'm eating anything else today. So to review my day of eating, the first thing I want to say is Will Tennyson gives away all his information for free. So that's already amazing. He gives away tips, recipes, workout plans, all of that for free. So we should all appreciate that he's doing that for us. But other than that, pretty satisfied with my meals today. Some of the ingredients were hard to get. That's probably one of the hardest things about the day of eating. But if you can get those ingredients and if you put an effort in getting those, it's a pretty good day of eating. Tons of protein, more protein than I would ever get eating the way I would normally eat. So you get a lot of protein, they're decently filling, and a lot of protein. And that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, and